Hey guys, this is Vicki with Southern Crossword Creations. We are going to make a winter tree tonight. So I took another scrap piece of wood and we're going to make some tassels. I'm going to show you how to do those. They're super easy. And once you make these, you're going to make these for so many different occasions. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your 4 fingers, and I wrapped 15 times around my fingers. Now you can use a piece of cardboard as well, but I just felt like as you maneuver the yarn like that, it's just easier to use your fingers. Now if you wanted bigger tassels, obviously you would have to use something wider. So you're going to take another piece of yarn and you're going to slip it through the top and you're going to tie that off. Now, what you do not have to double knot it. I prefer not to, because if you're going to make tassels, then you'll see the double knot. But if you just do the regular like that, just the regular tie, you don't normally see that. So then you're going to fold it down and you're going to take another piece of yarn and you're going to kind of come down a little bit and you're going to tie it off just like that. And then once you get that double knotted, that time you are going to double knot, get all of your strands together, and then you're going to cut all of your loops. Now once you get all of your loops cut, then you're going to push the strands all together, and then you're going to just give it a nice haircut and just cut it all the same length. I don't measure these, but if that bothers you that they're not exactly the same, you can, use your finger to kind of measure it out. We're going to cut this anyway again, so the length, each length it's not as important. Now I tried to use a Jenga block, but I couldn't get the color of the paint because my board was already so dark. So I just grabbed a piece of birch wood. You could use a tree limb, branch it out of your yard, but you can use the Jenga block. That's why I kind of had it lay in there for you to kind of see. You can use that. You'll just have to, get it the right color of your trunk. Now once you start gluing these on, you're going to do kind of opposite like that on each side, and then you're going to do one in the middle, and that will hide that spot right there. Again, I kind of sped up the little bit of the video here, and as you get to the last few on the very top, you're going to go around 12 times instead of the 15. That just makes it a little less fluffier at the top. I'm going to tie that off. I didn't notice that till just now, but I did double knot that at the top, but that's okay. We're going to cover it. But honestly, if you're going to make it into a garland, it's better to not double knot that. Okay, and then you're going to do this, just do the same thing, and you'll notice I do move that away because it is kind of messy. Get it all together and then cut them the same length. Hot glue that in place. And then at the top, you're going to just do the one. How cute is this already, y'all? I just think it just came out super cute. So we're going to make this into a tree. So the easiest way to do that is just cut your yarn with a pair of scissors going up towards the top. Fluff it out, make sure that's exactly how you want it, and then you're going to do the other side as well. How cute is that? So, I always like to embellish. I tried a couple of things for the top of the tree, but I just thought that this is just such a sweet little tree that I felt like just a tiny little bow at the very top is just perfect for it. So then I thought these little faux pearls that I got from Dollar General, they're over in the craft little section, and I believe Dollar Tree has these. These actually may have came from Dollar Tree. I know both of them have them. And then I just hot glued some little pearls on there. And I just thought that just set off the little tree, and it was just super cute. Kind of looks like little snowflakes all in the tree. I appreciate you being on my page so much. Thank you for passing it down the road, which means share, like, and comment, and I will see you next time.